Easter is finally here on zOMG, which means we get a load of egg. We've got some free music here. Well, it's supposed to be copyright free, but you know what it's like, it probably isn't. But LarryFisher boy, Moon River. And there's an orb spill. Yes, Owlin, orb. But there's also egg as well. Egg. Just going around with Toki, Barton Town, getting a load of Orbs. I do like some of the supposedly copyright-free music, and the majority of it has been discovered because of the Iceland eruptions, to be honest. It being in the background.